Iginiit ni Private Prosecutor Attorney May Divina Gracia na bayad na ang proteksyon para anya kay Vice President Sara Duterte kahit pa hindi galawin ang kanyang confidential funds na 473 ng mga sundalo at pulis na nagbabantay sa kanya. Walang BPA niya ang may ganito. Yun ang naging parte, mga kababayan, ng kanyang presentation. At kwinisyon, mga kababayan, ng prosecution yung paggastos ng confidential funds.
First, that the witness, Mr. Lemuel G. Ortonio, is the Assistant Secretary and Assistant Chief of Staff of the Office of the Vice President. Second, he holds the position of Assistant Secretary at salary grade 29. Third,
nagbabagang mga balita at pagtalakay sa mga isyu ng lipunan. Bulsa, opinyon, banat at paglalantad sa katotohanan. Bulsa, what you see is what you get. You decide.
Bayan, matindi yung naging presentation ngayon ng prosecution. Presentation pa lang po, sa opening statement pa lang, at presentation ng kaso laban kay Sara Duterte at presentation ng susunod na witness. Nangamuti na po yung defense at napakagaling nito prosecution counsel na si Atty. Divina Gracia. Ayan mga kababayan, si Atty. May Divina Gracia. Sabi ni Atty. Divina Gracia, bayad ng anya ang pagbabantay bago pa ang kahit pisong confidential funds. Iginiit ni Private Prosecutor Attorney May Divina Gracia na bayad na ang proteksyon para anya kay Vice President Sara Duterte kahit pa hindi galawin ang kanyang confidential funds. Anya sakop na kasi ng intelligence funds ng Armed Forces of the Philippines at Philippine National Police ang mga banta katulad ng NPA at mga teroristang grupo. 500 million pesos boat protection. The Vice President already had against threats. The Armed Forces and the PNP will already paid billions to watch. Sabi po niya. Mayroon na niya siya na 473 ng mga sundalo at pulis na nagbabantay sa kanya. Walang BPA niya ang may ganito. Yun ang naging parte, mga kababayan, ng kanyang presentation. At kwinisyon, mga kababayan, ng prosecution yung paggastos ng confidential funds. Alimbawa dito yung 60 million pesos para sa safe house. Ayan 60 million para sa safe house. Ba't hindi? Napakalaking halaga. Pero ang mas na-questionable dito, mga kababayan, pag pinagtabi pa yung mga dokumento, 11 days, 60 million ginastos. 52 days, 60 million. 67 days, 60 million. Iba-ibang paggamit anya, pero eksaktong pareho ang amount hanggang 60 million. O, di ba? Panoorin natin yung naging presentation dito, mga kababayan, ni sa kanyang opening statement at offer ng stipulation sa kaso laban kay Sara Duterte. Kung saan yung present, mga kababayan, na witness ay ito pong si Mr. Ernesto Nemenso Ortonio, Assistant Secretary, mga kababayan, ng Office of the Vice President. Assistant Secretary siya, mga kababayan. Ayan, mga kababayan.
just to read for the record, the matters that were already stipulated on Your Honor for avoidance of doubt.
You may do so, counsel. You may proceed.
So, first, that the witness, Mr. Lemuel G. Ortonio, is the Assistant Secretary and Assistant Chief of Staff of the Office of the Vice President. Second, he holds the position of Assistant Secretary at salary grade 29. Third, his appointment is coterminous with the term of the Vice President. And fourth, his position is one of trust and confidence. May the defense kindly confirm if those are all the matters that you're willing to stipulate on. As well as, sorry, Your Honor, they're also stipulating on the authenticity and the genuine execution of the documents listed in paragraph 25
So kung siya po,
of the request
hostile
for
witness
stipulation.
tulad ni Acosta, tao ni Sara kasi siya eh.
Attorney Christine?
Yes, Your Honor, subject to cross-examination.
Duly noted. Kindly proceed with your offer, Attorney May.
Your Honors, we are offering the testimony of Mr. Lemuel G. Orconio to qualify him as a hostile witness and to prove the following. Number 1, the confidential funds answered to no legitimate confidential purpose. The amount was requested before the supporting plan was produced, and the 2023 plan just repeated the operative language of the 2022 plan. Nauna ang 250 million, sumunod ang plano matapos itong hingin ng DBM. Hindi plano ang nagtakda ng halaga. Ang halaga ang nauna sa kahinabol ng plano. Number 2.
Baliktad po.
The respondent's handprints are on every document that mattered. Mula request hanggang liquidation, nasa mahalagang dokumento ang kanyang otoridad at pag-aproba. Number 3, the reports were written to fit the rules, not the facts. 4 na ulat, iisang template, mga halagang hindi nagbabago, at laging eksaktong 125 million. Not a peso more, not a centavo less. Walang natira, walang sinaulit. Number 4, 5 days after COA questioned the medical and food aid item, the line disappeared while the report still totaled exactly 125 million. Question ng Commission on Audit ang medical and food aid na may halagang 40 million, 42 million at 40 million sa tatlong unang accomplishment reports. Makalipas ang 5 araw, wala na ito sa huling accomplishment report. Pero
Nag-disappear.
125 million pa rin ang kabuuan ng halaga. Number 5, in 2 years, not one area, not one operation was ever named. Daang-daang area ang iniulat, 500 million ang ginastos. Ngunit wala ni isang lugar, ni isang operasyon, ni isang petsa ang pinangalanan. Number 6,
Puro ghost.
the liquidation was late, irregular, and backdated. 10 buwan huli ang mga resibo. Mahigit 100 ang may petsang 1 taon pagkatapos ng di umano'y bayaran.
Matindi.
Number 7, the certifications vouch for nothing and were signed by the man who received the money. Walang untoward incident. Iyan lamang ang pinatutunayan. Walang halaga, walang pangalan, walang lugar at walang petsa. At ang pumirma, ang mismong tumanggap ng pera. Number 8, the 500 million bought protection the Vice President already had. And against threats, the AFP and the PNP were already paid billions to watch. 473 sundalo at pulis na ang nagbabantay sa kanya. Sahod ng Republika mula sa ibang pondo. Walang pangalawang pangulo sa kasaysayan ang nagkaroon ng ganito. At ang mga bantang tinutukoy sa mga ulat, ang NPA at mga teroristang grupo. Sakop na ng intelligence funds ng AFP at PNP. Bayad na ang proteksyon, bayad na ang pagbabantay, bago pa ang kahit 1 piso ng confidential funds. Number 9, the justification for the confidential funds shifted with every finding. Sa DBM, safe implementation ng good governance programs, official engagements, and functional representation ng pangalawang Pangulo. Sa mga plano, confidence building for good governance programs at pagsapit ng 2023 socio-economic program delivery. Sa mga certifications, surveillance and information gathering to prevent untoward incidents from transpiring. Sa protective intelligence operations reports, for intelligence gathering naman. Sa mga sagot sa audit observation memoranda at notice of suspension for surveillance activities to determine where best to implement the OVP's programs. 6 na bersyon, iisang pondo. Number 10, the officials knew, answered nothing. The man who says he knew nothing answered everything. Lahat ng sagot sa COA, pirma ng testigong ito, na ang sabi wala siyang personal na kaalaman. Ang mga tunay na nakakaalam,
Hindi.
ang Respondent Vice President, ang Special Disbursing Officer, at ang Colonel, wala ni isang sumagot. Number 11, the explanations for the confidential funds are a sham. And the failure to account the funds gives rise to the presumption of misappropriation. Pabago-bago ang paliwanag, walang detalye, walang dokumentong sumusuporta, pagtatakip, hindi pagpapaliwanag. At hanggang ngayon, hindi na-account ang 500 million ng bayan. Sa ganitong kabiguan, ang batas na mismo ang nagsasalita, prima facie, na ipinalalagay na ang pondo ay ginamit para sa sariling kapakanan. That would be all for Your Honor.
Comment, Attorney Christine?
Yes, Your Honor. We note that the 11 items that were mentioned by the prosecution are all conclusions of fact and law, Your Honor. And actually, they are mere speculations and conjectures, Your Honor, not being proven before this honorable court. And they are all theories
Siyempre,
and,
ipoprove
with all
pa
due
nga.
respect, sound bites, Your Honor. Nevertheless, we will cross-examine the witness to verify the allegations or to
Yun ang mga
disprove
lumalabas
the
sa
allegations of the prosecution.
If
Thank
I
you.
may just-
Initial
they may be
investigation.
statements of fact or law, counsel, but that's what they seek to prove.
Correct. Tama si Cheese.
Through this witness, hopefully, by declaring him as a hostile witness in due time. Duly noted, comment of the counsel for respondents noted. You may proceed with your direct examination, Attorney May.
Puro ghost. Yung resibo po, nakasulat ng mga pangalan, puro multo. Yung mismong project, puro multo. Inunduan po ng 500 million, half billion pesos, mga kababayan. Yun ang malinaw sa kabagaan niya, Mr. Maravillas. So anyway, tingnan natin ang mga susunod na detalye nito, mga kababayan, na kahindik-hindik na revelasyon. Okay pa? Ayan man lang muna, mga kababayan, pag utay-utayin natin para hindi kayo masyado mabulunan ng napakaraming mga kwento. Okay pa? Max Framing and Lifting Cream, pinapahid po sa mga pulses in affected area. Mainam po sa paninigas ng mga kaso-kasuan. Ito naman po, Automax Radiant Serum. Sa mukha naman yung application, anti-aging po siya. You will look 10 years younger than your age. Sa mga cancer patients naman po, baka lang gusto ninyo itong itry. Neng siya red mixed fruit drink. Hindi mo po siya gamot, food supplement siya. Kaya lang, gawa siya, mga kababayan, sa goji berry. Yung goji berry may anti-cancer properties. O ngayon, yung mga inquiries ninyo, dumiritso na lang kayo sa aming messenger sa Facebook para masagot namin agad. Ayos pa? Ayos na ayos niya, Mr. Maravilla. Sa mga nagana po ng malinis and spacious fitness gym, pumunta lang po kayo sa aming Colossal Fitness Gym. May Grab car rental din po kami. But anyway, ito po pala yung aming bagong product na binibenta online. I am worldwide amazing pure organic barley powdered drink mix from Australia. Negosyo to ng aking anak na architect entrepreneur Riz Maravillas. Ayan po. Kontakin na lang po ninyo siya, Riz Maravillas on Facebook. Ang mga health benefits niya, boost immunity, improves digestion, enhance energy levels, packed with antioxidants, prevent cancer. Ito naman po yung bago naming product na binibenta online. Eye Glow Serum, whitening po siya. Tingnan ninyo yung epekto sa aking anak na architect before and now. Yung mga inquiries po ninyo, dumiretso na lang kayo sa kanyang Facebook account, Riz Maravillas.